Hello K2. Today we are going to be doing another science experiment, and we are going to be using water, which I have inside of this vase. If you can tell, let me wiggle it around. There's water. Here is vegetable oil, which I've already put some vegetable oil inside of this bowl. That is vegetable oil. And we're going to use food coloring. Now, what we need to do first is get some food coloring and put it inside of our vegetable oil. So we're going to be using this color first. And what color is this? Blue. We're going to put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What color is this? Red. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what color is this? Green. Good. Here, let me move this where you can see it. Let me scoot you over. All right. Green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what color is this? Yellow. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're going to use the end of this measuring cup to stir it up. Stir it up really good. Now when I'm stirring this up, is this loud or quiet? Loud, good. All right, next what we're going to do is we're going to pour the vegetable oil, which now has all of our colors in it, into our water. And let's see what happens. Let me put this up behind it so you can see. I wonder what's going to happen. We're going to have to watch it for a little bit to see. Now what's happening is the oil doesn't mix with the water. So the oil goes to the top and the colors fall down. And this is what we call oil fireworks. How cool! See how the colors are dropping down to the bottom? Because the food coloring mixes with the water. How neat. This is really cool. All right, class, so that is our science experiment for this week. Love you.